This is WayKen.
I'm Kelly.
I'm Fabiana.
Today we are
going to talk about on-demand manufacturing. So Kelly, what's the difference between traditional manufacturing and on-demand manufacturing?
In simple terms, on-demand manufacturing means that customers can place their orders according to their own needs. It includes quantities, materials, processing methods. Compared to traditional manufacturing with higher minimum order quantity and the longer lead times, on-demand manufacturing can be more cost-effective and easily accessible. So, Fabi, do you know the advantages of on-demand manufacturing?
Oh, good question. Firstly, it is very easy to get on-demand manufacturing service. With the flexibility of internet and cloud-based technology, you can upload your CAD files from your computer or PC at any time and everywhere. Make contact with your suppliers, check the manufacturability, get a quote, as well as learn details about the process and your expected delivery dates. Secondly, using this mode is very beneficial for you to build your prototypes. Your prototypes can be produced very fast and cost-effectively, including CNC machining, 3D printing, vacuum casting, and so on. Thirdly, for low-volume production, they are just to identify and solve any problems in time before moving to mass production. While using traditional manufacturing, like making a steel mold, often requires high cost. So, Kelly, would you please tell us how does WayKen to provide on-demand manufacturing services?
WayKen is an on-demand manufacturing service provider. Even if you are only ordering one piece, we can make the part for you. Low volume like 100 to 5,000 pieces are also what we specialize in. Each time you send an inquiry, we make thorough evaluation based on your design and make the best solution accordingly. If you'd like to discuss more about on-demand manufacturing, you can direct message me here.
That's all for this video. Looking forward to see you next time.